This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can hide your subscribers on YouTube from your mobile device. A YouTube subscriber is someone who has chosen to follow your channel and your content so that they stay updated with your latest videos. In essence, a subscriber can become a raving fan who watches, comments and shares your video with others. Building up a strong subscriber base is essential for creating a powerful community online. YouTube displays the number of users who have subscribed to your channel below each of your videos and on your channel page. This setting is enabled by default, but you can turn it off. If you already are a creator or YouTuber, you can easily hide the subscriber counts. In order to do that, just watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser and tap on it to open and search for youtube.com. Once you are on YouTube, you need to sign into your account. Then here at the top right corner, you can see the 3 horizontal dots. Tap on it. Go down a little further. Here you can see desktop site option. Tap on it. Once you do that, it directs your page and your YouTube. Once you tap on it, you land onto an interface like this. Now go to your YouTube profile icon and tap on it. Here, if you go down a little further, you can see the setting options. Tap on it. Now here on this page, you can see various options available. Go and tap on privacy option. Go to the playlist and subscription section, and here you can see 2 options available. Keep all my saved playlists private and keep all my subscription private. Go to the keep all my subscription private and tap on it. Once the toggle turns blue, your subscription won't be visible to others unless you use features that make them public. Also, you can hide the subscribers count from your phone once you download the YouTube Studio for your Android. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.